My 05 Superduty 6.0 power stroke. Up in Northern Ontario, Canada. Massey, Ontario. Minus 22. I'm going to do a cold start. Let's see how this goes. Western start, it won't start. So, got her plugged in. But we'll do a cold start with the Superduty. Set this on my head rack. That's not too bad. Right. There you have it. True Northern Ontario cold start. It is fucking cold. That's my beast. Key to make a 6-liter start in the winter, put a 6.4 starter on it. Have good batteries. She'll start every time. And good glow plugs. If you have shit glow plugs, forget it. I got all brand new glow plugs, 2 new batteries, brand new starter, 6.4 starter, new alternator, keep her fresh, and it's on Rotella 540 synthetic. There's the key right there. Can't have 1540 up here. It won't start. Anyway, there's my cold start. She should idle up in a minute here. Anyway, we don't need to hear it fast idle. Good enough.